Good evening. Welcome to Live at 5, Joe Mastriano. Tonight, I'll be doing an introduction for the second favorite topic of mine, managing control of your life. So, about 3 years ago, I made a really excellent discovery. I've been a self help junkie for many years. I'm an NLP practitioner, the stuff that Tony Robbins made popular in the 80s. I'm also have become a master practitioner. I've done yes training, Course in Miracles, all kinds of stuff. And the most important thing, I have decades of courses and lectures that I've been to, and podcasts and videos from all these people, um, Sadhguru, Leo Gura, Jordan Peterson, Ben Shapiro. Yeah, some of them are conservative, but Leo Gura is not on the conservative side. And what I discovered is that if you put yourself in a very, very strong position by totally accepting yourself, building your confidence, things like that, and managing parts of the day uh, so that you're, present to the moment, like Eckhart Tolle says, the power of now, and you work on yourself each day and be better today than you weren't yesterday, rather than looking outside yourself and wanting to have money because other people have money, or wanting to have fancy cars, or women or men because other people have, good looking, rich mates. Uh, and the only thing you really should be looking at is what you want for yourself and your ability to generate that each day. So I won't bore you going on and on about it. Go to joemastriano.com and go to the resources tab. You'll see McOil, and I actually lay out my program where I help people get started, and you can trash any parts that don't really apply to you and fill in your own, because nobody's course or lecture people give advice a lot, but um, unless you manage what controls your life, outside influences, your own limiting beliefs, family, friends, coworkers, if you let other people influence you, at some point you're always going to be let down. If you have the inner strength to know that you're always going to, um, be solid each day, regardless of what happens outside your own personal influences. Um, that's absolutely the best thing. And I've done a lot of research. There's several psychiatrists, psychologists, popular people, Plato. They all agree with me. I've this is about 3 years old now, and I had trouble. It's counterintuitive. I had to keep, I had to work at it. I kept falling for pitfalls. So my Live at 5, I'm going to help people and answer their questions. And as you get control of yourself, making money will be easier. You can join my affiliate marketing course. I have the best teacher. I had 3 groups I joined before and quit, and we use the best, better than Kartra. For those of you who are familiar with it, it's eStage, to do websites. And so, eh, even if you didn't want to do that, whatever you wanted to do to be um, financially free, financially independent, you'll be able to do, because you'll have that great of a handle on yourself. So go to my website, joemastriano.com, go to the resources tab, click on McOil. The whole program is free. I'll help you and coach you for free during my Live at 5, Monday to Thursday. All you have to do is log on. The bottom of the page, joemastriano.com, the very bottom of the page is a link to the YouTube channel, and you'll see the live stream happening, and you can just join and ask questions. Eventually, it will be a paid product. That's it for this video, and tomorrow will be more about how great the affiliate marketing course is and how great it'll help you to make money, because once you take control, you set up your own products. You don't have to use the products of this company. I'll see you tomorrow.